Let's get this show on the road. Harley, takes the lead. Go on. Wrong way, boys.
Hello Tuesday!
Good morning.
It is another terrific Tuesday here today. We have Coda and Chaos back. They've been away for a bit, but now they're back with us, and it's looking to be a fabulous day.
Matt's back.
Matt's here. It's Tuesday and Matt's here.
He's back.
And we're just having a lucky day.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Tit about Brit. Tit about Brit.
Tit about Brit is
Part 3.
part 3. I am a qualified carer, so when I'm not here taking care of your pups, I am out caring for disabled and old people.
Yay! Learning more every week. Till next Tuesday, Tit about Brit. Terrific Tuesday.
Great weather.
So nice. We are a little bit chilly now, but
Yeah.
the day's been fabulous. Had a really nice day. It was great to have Chaos back and Coda back.
I finally got to meet her.
Yeah, she actually left just as Brit was starting. She did a little whoopsie to herself, but now she's back. So it's been such a good day.
She's in the background right over there.
There she is. Hey, cutie girl. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.